Which bird is used to send messages in history? Correct answer? Pigeon. Next question. Which bird do people like the most? Correct answer? Parrot. Next question. Which bird is known as a symbol of peace? Correct answer? Dove. Next question. Which bird eats grains and lives near houses? Correct answer? Sparrow. Next question. Which bird is known for making beautiful nests? Correct answer? Weaver bird. Next question. Which bird is famous for its colorful feathers? Correct answer. Peacock.